Good medical morning. Today we're going to look at some of Instagram's most popular pimple pops, blackhead removals, and bizarre medical clips. First, we have this incredible blackhead removal clip. I'm not sure of the original source, so if you know, please tell us in the comments so we can give them appropriate credit. Next is an incredible ear blackhead. Blackheads are a result of clogged pores from dirt and debris, both biological and foreign. And ears are not exempt from dirt and debris either. I bet this guy could have benefited from a good pimple popping kit. I'll put a link to my favorite below. Adam, our co-host and channel manager, posted this image, calling it a skeletal selfie. Yeah, whatever it is, it's quite clever. Click like for that. This is one of my favorite pimple pops as well. Also, can anyone guess what this clip is? We've heard everything from skin tightening to hair removal. Stick around to the end of the video and we'll show you this clip. With that, let me take a moment to tell you about my favorite pimple popping kit. Then I'll show you that weird clip. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard to reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.